Today we're getting into a topic that's useful for everyone, spending with intention, as we get into some gear, tools, and essentials that actually pay you back over time. In today's video, we're going to talk about 10 things you can buy now that actually will save you money over the long haul. These are purchases that I guarantee you that will save you hundreds, if not thousands, over the years. And of course, I'm going to have a link in the description to examples of all the things we talk about if you want to pick up one or two for yourself. And if you're new here, welcome, Jeff, your Style O.G. On this channel, we discuss various men's lifestyle topics such as style, grooming, and dating. If any or all those topics interest you, I invite you to subscribe, tap the notification bell, and join us. And to my returning friends like Shane Williams, salute. Now we're going to kick off our list of 10 things you can buy right now that will save you money over the long haul with something I beat the drum for on this channel over and over. If you want to make one of the smartest but underrated style investment, grab yourself a good pair of cedar shoe trees. Now, in my opinion, this is one of the smartest moves a stylish guy can make. Why? Because cedar shoe trees actually make your shoes last longer. They help them keep their shape, prevent creasing, absorb moisture, and help cut down on odor. That means your high-quality leather shoes won't dry out, crack, or smell funky after just a few wears. So instead of replacing your shoes every year or so, using cedar shoe trees, those same shoes will last 5, 10, 15 years or longer. And I also recommend not only do you put them in your dress shoes, put them in your leather sneakers as well. Do you see this $20 to $30 investment that helps protect a 200+ pair of shoes? That's a smart, stylish move any man should be able to get behind. Now, next up on the list, we're sticking in the footwear department, and one of the best investments you can make when it comes to your actual shoes. I highly recommend you grab yourself a leather dress shoes made of Goodyear welted construction. Trust me, Goodyear welted shoes are one of the best shoe purchases you can make. Why is that? Because although they might cost a little bit more up front, you definitely will get your money's worth over time. Because Goodyear welted shoes are built to last for years or even decades if done right. Unlike glued or cheaply stitched shoes, Goodyear welted shoes are very easy for a cobbler to resole multiple times without them falling apart. So that means instead of buying new shoes every 12 to 18 months, Goodyear welted footwear are a pair that will keep going strong year after year, decade after decade. Goodyear welted shoes are a classic, durable, and wise footwear investment. Now, next up on the list of 10 things that if you invest now will save you money over time, we're headed to the automobile section. I highly recommend you grab yourself an OBD2 scanner. If you own a car, this scanner is one of the wisest investments you can make. Instead of running to a mechanic every time an engine light comes on, you can plug in your own scanner, read the code, and know exactly what's going on with your vehicle. No guessing, no upsells, no unnecessary repairs. It keeps you in control of your ride and your wallet. Plus, it allows you to stay ahead of small issues that eventually can turn to big, expensive problems. An OBD2 scanner is peace of mind for under 50 bucks. See, your smart man knows what's going on under the hood before anyone else does. When it comes to that car of yours, it's a powerful savings move. Now, next up, we're headed over to the grooming department. If you want to save money and stay looking fresh, I highly recommend you invest in a pair of hair clippers or beard trimmers. This $20 to $30 investment can save you a whole lot of money over time. Think about it, those weekly or bi-weekly trips to the barbershop, the cost adds up very quickly. But with the right tool and little practice in between cuts, you can trim your own beard. You can clean up that neckline or fade the sides. And this will help you stay looking sharp and save hundreds of dollars over the course of a year. And when it is time for that professional cut, your own hair clippers or beard trimmer help keep you looking fresh in between visits. It's all about independence, control, and consistent grooming that keeps you looking sharp and your well-groomed best while still keeping some money in your pockets. Now, next up, we have what I believe is one of the most underrated tools when it comes to your style. If you want to look crisp and save money, invest in a clothing steamer. Because let's face it, wrinkles can make even the flyest outfit look cheap. And the great thing about a clothes steamer, it keeps your clothes looking fresh and well maintained without the unnecessary wear and tear of frequent ironing or dry cleaning trips. And let's be honest, if you're anything like me, you've taken clothes to the cleaner just to have them pressed. A waste of time, effort, and money. And that's what I love about a quality steamer. It saves you time, money, and stress. It helps keep your wardrobe in tip-top shape extends the life of your clothing, and allows you to step out of the door looking like that well put together man you're meant to be. So when you grab that clothing steamer and put it to use, that's an excellent combination of style and long-term value. Now, next up on the list of 10 things I recommend you buy today to save money tomorrow, we're going into the home department. If you want to save money, grab yourself some LED light bulbs. Now, LED light bulbs might seem like a small upgrade, but trust me, they can make a big difference. Unlike traditional light bulbs that can burn out very quickly, LED light bulbs last longer and they're more efficient. They only use a fraction of the electricity. That means lower bills month after month and fewer replacements to worry about. That's long-term thinking. Very smart. When you think in this efficient way, not only are you lighting your room, you're lighting it smarter. Plus, LED light bulbs come in different temperatures that allow you to set the perfect mood for your space. LED light bulbs are one of those small investments that save you money over time, but also elevate your everyday experience. Now, next up, I have another very small upgrade that can pay big dividends. I highly recommend you grab yourself a set or a few sets of meal prep containers. I know meal prep containers might not seem like a big deal at first glance, but trust me, they're one of the wisest kitchen investments a man can make. When you buy yourself a set of meal prep containers, you're setting yourself up to save money by cooking more at home instead of constantly eating out. And it also puts you in control of your portions, your ingredients, and of course, your wallet. But it's not just about saving money. It also allows you to stay on track with your health, and prepping your meals definitely is efficient. It saves a lot of time. You see, a smart man thinks ahead, and having meals prepped and ready to go keeps you focused, disciplined, and efficient. And what I really love about meal prep containers, they allow you to run your day instead of letting your day run you. Now, next up on the list, we're headed out of the kitchen and into the bathroom. One of the best small upgrades you can make, get yourself a high-efficiency shower head. A high-efficiency shower head is one of the best investments you can make when it comes to your bathroom. And it's not just about saving water. It saves money in two categories, your water bill and your electric bill, which means when you switch this out, you're saving money month after month. And with modern quality high-efficiency shower heads, you still get great pressure and a satisfying shower experience. It allows you to work smarter, not harder. When you invest in tools that cut waste and boost performance, you're thinking like a man who plans long term. A high-efficiency shower head does an excellent job of combining comfort and value. It's the kind of smart, subtle flex that keeps your pockets and your hygiene on point. Now, for my next recommendation of something you can buy today and save money tomorrow, we're headed back to the automobile department. I highly recommend you grab yourself a portable tire inflator. In my opinion, a portable tire inflator is one of the most underrated tools every grown man should have in his trunk. Not only does it keep you prepared in case of an emergency, it saves you money. By helping you maintain your tire's pressure, it saves you on gas mileage and extends the life of said tire. No more last-minute gas station stops or burning fuel riding around on underinflated wheels. It's one of the investments that keeps paying you back over time with peace of mind, safety, and long-term savings. It's like the cliche goes, a man who stays ready doesn't have to get ready. And a portable tire inflator is a great way when it comes to your vehicle of staying one step ahead. Now, next up, we're headed back to the kitchen for a money-saving investment. I always recommend to all guys, invest in a cast iron skillet. Trust me, a cast iron skillet is a small investment that pays you back over and over. This isn't just another pan, it's a kitchen investment. A well-seasoned cast iron skillet can actually last you for decades. And what can you do with a cast iron skillet? What can't you do? You can sear, you can saute, you can bake, you can fry. You can do it without having to always replace those non-stick pans. Plus, the cast iron skillet allows you to cook at home more often. Remember, when you do that, that definitely saves money as compared to eating out. And with the cast iron skillet, the more you use it, the better it gets. And if you take care of it, it will never let you down. So for the man in the kitchen who wants value, durability, and flavor, nothing beats the cast iron skillet. It belongs in every guy's kitchen arsenal because it's simple, smart, and built to last. Okay, so there you have it. 10 things that if you buy them today will definitely save you hundreds if not thousands of dollars over the years. Now let me know in the comment section if you have any recommendations for the Style O.G family of something they can buy today that will save them money tomorrow. And if you enjoyed this video and found it informative, I highly recommend you check out a recent video I did of all the things I believe men should never buy. You can check it out right here.